giant steps solved using only pentatonic scales. So there's two steps that we're going to use today. The first step is only using pentatonics in the actual key center, like this. So here we've got the short 2, 5, and then the 1. So that is a 2, 5, 1 in the key of A major, okay? And so all I'm using, the simplest approach is the A pentatonic. And that is regarding any key. So if it was a D minor 7 to a G7 to a C7, I would use C pentatonic. And the next step is using key center pentatonics, but also the dominant. When it's the 2 and the 5, we use just one dominant pentatonic like this. So here we've got the 2 and the 5. We forget about the 2 and we just concentrate on that E7 going to the A, okay? So it's a 5. Think of that as the 5 to the 1. And we use the E pentatonic here and the A pentatonic here. And it gives us less of that sort of floaty pentatonic feel and more of a resolution, mainly because we've got the G sharp going to the A. And again, if it was D minor 7 to G7 to C7, we would just use a G pentatonic here to the C pentatonic. So here we go with example 1, giant steps, and all I'm using is key center pentatonics, not the dominant here. And it's not trying to sound like a solo in any way, it's just using the pentatonic notes that fit the chord. So in this example, I'm using the same approach, the same notes, the same chordal pentatonic approach, but I've tried to make it sound like a proper jazz solo. Check it out. Now here we go with the 2 pentatonic approach, where we use one for the home key, if you like, and the other for the dominant chords, or if it's the 2, 5, we omit the 2 and just use the 5 chord pentatonic. To my ears, that is much more melodic because you have that 5 to 1 type sound rather than just the 1 pentatonic approach. Okay, let's listen to the solo using that approach we've just spoke about. So I hope you've learned something there, guys. That is what I personally use, either just the 1 approach or the 5 and the 1 approach, the 2 pentatonic. This is something we're going over at the minute in the Buy Me a Coffee lessons. I've also created a pentatonic bundle that's absolutely free if you sign up for the Pentatonic newsletter. I'll put it in the description. Also, I should let you know I have a great little book that focuses on the 2-5-1 in the key of concert B flat major, showing how rhythm is important. And in that one, we just use the 1 pentatonic. So in the 2-5-1, we just use the 1 chord pentatonic. Super simple. I've mentioned the Buy Me a Coffee, and I should state that I have a few slots left for one-to-one teaching. The lessons aren't a one size fits all. We have a chat and really discover where you want to go, where you are, your aspirations, and I'll give you a clear path how to reach it, matching your current ability. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.